Hello whale traders. Today in this video is very special because today I'm gonna reveal you a secret trading strategy that is used by professional traders, but nobody will tell you the real importance of it. This strategy that I'm gonna tell you will make you insane gains that no other strategy can give with very low probability of losses. Now, in this channel, I try to share my valuable trading strategies and experiences. I am myself a full-time crypto and forex trader. So, if you get benefit from my videos, then please support my channel too, as your support will motivate me to continue sharing more valuable content. Now guys, this strategy we need indicators that are very popular and known to many, that is simple moving average. We will be working with only simple moving average. Yes, right. Simple moving average is a very powerful tool guys, and we will input it length, change it to 50, and we will click OK, and we will also change it color to, I think it's okay, and we will increase it thickness to make it more visible. I think yes, this one will be okay, and we will change the setting of the other indicator to, we will change the input length to 200 from 7. We will change it to 200, and most of the viewer will know what I am going to tell, that we will be using these two simple moving averages for our profit. You can see from the chart how we will be going to take our entry and exit, but I will demonstrate you the strategy in let me make this one red. Okay, now what we will be when we will be taking our trades, we will be taking our trades, as you can see from the chart, whenever either there is a crossover or there is a bounce from the 50 moving simple moving average. Here you can see there is a bounce from price bounce back from simple from 50 moving average. So we will take this one trade. You can see there is a lot of profit from this trade. We can get a lot of profit from this trade. So now in this strategy we have our entry point a little higher from the bounce from the simple moving average. Here's another example. I'm not taking the exact two candles from bounce from the moving average of 50. So here you can see another good profitable trade. You can see how much high it goes from our entry position. Now you can see another trade. I will here is another bounce back, price bounce back again from the 50 moving average. Although our breakout didn't happen from here, price again goes below the 50 moving average, instead of going all the way up, making it a buying trend. Instead the trend again makes a reversal towards the downward. So we will open a trade, short trade for this one position. You can see, but here I will give you an important trick in this, that you will not take the trade after the price when the simple moving average is close to the 50 moving average is close to 200. We will not take trade after it bounce after it goes below 50. We'll take trade after it goes below 200. So in order to avoid any losses in case of it bounce back again to above 50 level. So you can see this much was a profitable trade, a big trade, profitable trade. So here you can see other examples. We can see here it bounced back again from the 50 moving average. Like I give you the points, my important point from my experience, that don't rush into every break from the 50 moving average. Sometimes there are fake breakouts, like you can now you can see on the charts how many fake breaks from below and above the 50 moving average. So that's why I told you that don't take trade exactly from the break from the or bounce from the 50 moving average. So let the price candles to go below from them. You can also analyze from this. If we continue our nerves and we continue hold our trade from the crossover of 50 moving average from 200, you can see how much bigger this trade can be. If we hold our nerves and we stay in the trade, you can see it is almost 16%. This is a whooping amount, guys. You can see if you take leverage of like 20x and then 16, like if you take only leverage of 10x, you can see 160% is the profit. That is insane, guys, insane amount. Like if you invested $1,000, you can get almost like $1,500 in profit. So here you can see the losses. We can also occur there is also probability of losses in this strategy. As you can see on the chart, there are a lot of fake signals. You can see here is our signal for up, but it couldn't go a high. Here is also here this one is although a not good profitable trade, but it didn't resulted in loss. We can get a somewhat decent profit of 2%, 4%, guys. A low profit from this strategy is 4%. You can see how much powerful it is. Although don't take it as a 100% accurate strategy, it gives you losses also. Here you can see that. So that's why I told you in the beginning to avoid this type of trade. So guys, I hope you like today's video, and please support my channel. If you get benefit from my video, then do support my channel, and let me make this #1 trading channel on YouTube. So I hope I will reach that mark. So thanks for watching my video, and have a nice day. Good luck.